Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change your phone number on Android. So let's get started. So to change your phone number on your Android device, what you can do is just open up your settings. After opening up your settings, just scroll down and you can find this Google option. So just tap on Google and then tap on manage your Google account. So by tapping on manage your Google account, you will open up your Google account section, and now what you can do is just tap on personal info. By tapping on personal info, you just have to scroll down. After scrolling down here, you can find your phone number option. After tapping on phone, now you will see your phone number. Now what you can do is just change it. So just tap on your phone number, and by tapping on your phone number, you can find this pencil icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. So just tap on that pencil icon, and by tapping on that pencil icon, now you will be able to change your number. So to change your number, in the bottom right corner you can find update number option. So just tap on update number, and now you can add any number that you like to update. After adding the number, you just have to tap on next, and after tapping on next, you will add a phone number on Android. After entering that number, now you just have to tap on next and then you will add a number. So that's it guys, this is how to change your phone number on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.